Hello fans! Today we're gonna look at some RC products from Temu. Me and Temu have started a cooperation, so I will test some RC products from them. So, this is the first video for Temu, and we're gonna start with this J20 fighter jet. This is not big. So it's very lightweight, so you can fly it in your garden, in the park. So yeah, and have an easy controller like this, like an Xbox controller. You can charge your battery from a PC or your cell phone, mobile phone charger. It's not so much to say. It's 49 centimeters long and 32 centimeters wide wingspan. This EPP foam, so we can handle lots of crashes like we do in the EDF RC. First, you can click on the link below this video, and you can also use the code put in the search bar in Temu, and then create an account and use this code to get cheap products. And it's a bundle. In this plane, in EDF RC, we fly everything from small to big planes. This is a typical, what you call it, a coffee plane. So in the summer when we are flying outdoor, of course, and we're gonna have a coffee break, we don't go into the clubhouse. We sit on the benches, talking about funny stuff, and then we can use this model and fly around while drinking coffee and just have some fun. So we can have fun with this when you are old and young. Yeah, RC is for everybody. Just if you see this nice t-shirt, this is also from Temu. It's very thin, so it's very good for me to use this, and then it's perfect. Very cheap, very good. So let's open the box. So let's use this knife from Temu to open the package. See what's inside. Oh, look at this. It's a manual. I don't use them. Look at this controller. Fits good in my big Viking hands. Need to purchase your own batteries for this. You have 3 different channels. You have this plane. Oh, seems really solid, I think. And look at the finish. It's very glossy. So we have to assemble these fins. Maybe you should glue them. I will do that. Like this. And you have this very soft nose cone to put on. A little strange to put this on a plane, but look at this saw, it's very soft. Yeah. And you have these accessories, like, let's open the bag and see. USB charger. This is not a 1-cell lipo, this is 2-cell lipo batteries. You have this balancer connector, yeah. And you have this landing gears to mount. That's everything. And you have a hatch there. Here we have the 2 cells lipo battery. Nice. The controller board. And here you have this propellers like the other jets, but you have this ducted fan style. But when I look in the box, I saw this big tube of glue. So you can use this glue to glue on the fins, and if you damage the plane, you can use this glue to fix it. Yeah. These fins may fall off also, and I think the plane can break easily here. So use this glue. I think you have many hours with good flying with this plane. You can turn on the controller, open the hatch, and plug the battery. The battery hitch is, yeah, you can see, loose, and therefore I think you have to use a piece of tape or something over there so it don't fly off while you are flying. The landing gear attached. Then you can see this micro servos that you can replace if they break in a crash or something. Yes, so that is cool. Easy. Let's test the servos. You have to give full throttle and down. So you look up, down, left, right. And you can see the gyro is working. It's compensating when you are flying down, it will help you up. And when you fly up, it will bring you down. Very cool. Let's go outdoor and fly it. Yeah! You can take off from the ground. This was easy to fly. Nice speed too. Oi. What? I recommend this plane. You can fly it in the wind also. That's nice. Yeah. Even in a strong wind, even the children can fly this, I think. Yeah. Good climb rate also. Nice! Do you like it?
Nice.
Yes.